Kimera giukite gitaru gia gatagati ni gigakorwo na timu ligi-ini nene ya arume ya FKF thutha wa timu ya Murang'a Seal gutigara ligi-ini ino, kuria urugamiriri wa timu ino ugite itanya riao riari kwaga guikurukio ngathi na kimera kia mbere.
The boys were under instructions to make sure that our target is to remain in the league, and I think that is something we have achieved. So we have had ups and downs, but we hope that in the coming seasons then we'll be a force to reckon with, because now we have tested, we have a little bit of more experience, and so next season the sky is the limit.
Hari kimera kia mbere timu ino iria uikaro wayo ukoragwo kaunti-ini ya Murang'a hari ngucanio 34 irahotire kenda, irate 14 na kuma draw hari ngucanio 11. Rekodi iria kocha munene augite kimera giukite no nginya igacirithio na njira ya kuhura timu ino njeki.
But tumeshukuru timu imebaki kwenye ligi, niko na imani next year we are recruiting, and especially the strikers, some little bit of midfield, but a lot of impact in the striking, because I have some good skillful player, so depth kubwa ntaiweka kwenye strikers.
Gor Mahia nio iratugirwo na gikombe kiria gitanarumaniririo na mbeca. Munini wa muikariri giti wa timu ino akiorota kiama kia FKF kumana na kiria arauga ni kuremwo kurugamirira ligi ino na njira igwete.
With the upcoming elections, we must stand our ground. We must make sure that we get the right leadership from grassroots, so that we attract the kind of sort of resources that this game needs. It is very, very unfair to make these clubs run an entire season with nothing to show for it.
Timu ya Nzoia Sugar na Muhoroni Youth nicio iraikurukirio ngathi guku Sofapaka igieterera gwetha mweke wa gucoka ligi-ini ino riria igacemania na timu iria ikarikia namba 3 ligi-ini ya NSL. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV iharo-ini ritwa riakwa ni Captain Festus Lango.